The president's campaign stops here in Nevada this weekend are off. The campaign says the president will still be in Nevada and more details will be released soon. Now, his campaign co-chair Adam Laxalt tweeted out the announcement criticizing Governor Sisolak. But the governor tweeted his office had no involvement in that decision. The Trump campaign then responded with a statement, quote, Democrats are trying to keep President Trump from speaking to voters because they know the enthusiasm behind his re-election campaign cannot be matched by Joe Biden. President Trump will be traveling to Nevada on the dates planned. The Nevada State Democratic Party also responded with a statement, quote, the fact that Donald Trump was even considering holding these unsafe events is just the latest example of his complete disregard for Nevadans' public health and safety, end quote.